How many Guinnesses could one brick buy me and the lads today? Happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. I'll be sharing some random gold-related fun facts, breaking down what's actually at the end of the rainbow and what you can do with it. Let's get into it. First off, if you know me, of course, the lore. Where did we get the idea of the pot of gold from? Legends about pots of gold buried at the ends of rainbows originate from the Viking invasion of Ireland in 795 AD. Pretty cool. They were known for their looting of monasteries and burying their gold and other treasures in undisclosed locations. Legends of pots of gold began when they eventually moved from the shores of Ireland, turning their sights towards Charlemagne and the Carolingian Empire, leaving some of their stolen gold behind.
I've heavily invested in gold, which I've buried in several different locations around Pawnee. Or have I?
Folklore depicts leprechauns as mistrustful creatures who detest humans. According to legend, leprechauns found the abandoned gold and buried it again so no humans could ever find it.
No, that wasn't very nice.
Folktales tell us there's a pot of gold hidden where the end of any rainbow touches the earth. Unfortunately, science tells us that rainbows do not have an end since their arch shape is only an illusion.
You sit on a throne of lies.
The more you know. Anyway, now on to the shekels, stocks versus gold. Gold has been a store of value for centuries and often regarded as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average, for example, tracks the stock prices of 30 of the biggest American companies and can offer a big picture view of the stock markets in general. Apples to oranges comparison, as they're two different asset classes, I know, but for the hell of it, I compared their total returns. Now, over certain 30-year periods, stocks have outperformed gold and bonds, but over the occasional 15-year periods, gold will outperform stocks and bonds. 30 years from 1990 to 2020, the price of gold increased by around 360%, while the Dow Jones gained 991%. But if we check the 15 years from 2005 to 2020, the price of gold increased by 330%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average increased by only 153%. For the sake of the argument, if we only consider the years 2021 and 2022, gold has outperformed stocks as geopolitical uncertainty and inflation increased worldwide.
Sir, yes, sir!
So, longer term, stocks outperform gold by about 3 to 1, and on shorter time horizons, gold may win out. Go way back to the 1920s through today, stock returns blow gold away. And lastly, the price of gold. Did you know that the price of gold is currently near $2,155 US per ounce? How about that classic gold brick? That 400-ounce brick from the Italian Job.
13 across, 4 high, 4 deep.
That's 208 bricks.
How much?
2.7 million.
What?
No, it's 27. That's 27 million. That's $27 million worth of gold.
Is worth $861,600 per brick. And that naturally leads to your next question. How many Guinnesses could one brick buy me and the lads today? At $861,600 per brick, divided by approximately $6 per creamy pint, that puts us at 143,600 pints to go around. Enough to get us started. There you have it, all things gold and Guinness. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Please drink responsibly. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you guys later. Sláinte.